Welcome back, students. Today we will be doing Factoring Quadratics, Part 2. Woo! Now, this was a largely requested video because people wanted to know what to do if there was a coefficient in front of x squared, right here, R4. Now I'm going to explain how to do that to you in just one sec. But first, we need to look at our list of to-dos. So, just to reiterate, the standard quadratic formula is ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Now our equation looks exactly like that. So we are set to continue factoring. We then need to make sure the equation is equal to 0. And looky right there, it is. So we'll give that a check. And then, if there's a common term, we need to factor it out. Now, to my knowledge, I don't know a common term that goes into 4, 25, and 21. So, can't do that, and we need to continue solving it normally. I'm going to explain to you a way to do this math to simplify it, called decomposition. So, decomposition. We need to start off by multiplying our A term by our C term. And just to remind everyone back at home, our A term is 4x squared, our B term is 25x, and our C term is negative 21. So we're going to do 4 times negative 21 and get negative 84. Then we need to know that our B term is positive 25. So we need to find a factor that is equal to 84 and sums to 25. Now I'm going to give you a short little bit of time to figure out what that factor is to everyone that's been following along. Well, if you got negative 3 plus 28, you are correct. So this is our factor of 84. Of negative 84 is negative 3 plus 28, and that is equal to 25. So, these are our addends. And the addends are going to replace the spot of the 25 because saying negative 3x plus 28x is the same as saying 25. Okay, are you still following along with me? Good. So then we need to group the addends where they can go in the equation where they share a common term. So that's going to look like this. 4x squared plus 28x. We're going to erase this. Minus 3x minus 21. Now, I'll just give you a sec to follow right along to figure out what you're doing. So these are going to be set up like so. And then it's equal to 0. Now, you can treat these as separate equations and factor them out. So what can be factored out of 4x squared plus 28x? Whoever said 4x, you're right. So we're going to get 4x, and then we're left with x plus 7. Now, what can be factored out of negative 3x minus 21? I'll give you a sec. Whoever said negative 3, you are correct. Negative 3 can be factored out to give us x plus 7. Now, can anybody see anything strange that's going on in the equation? You're right. X plus 7 and x plus 7 is repeated. So we can factor out the common term and then group the remaining terms. So that's going to look like 4x minus 3 and x plus 7. So that's where we're at right now, yes? Okay, very good. Now, our answer is going to be x equals it's a positive. Oh, caught you there. Positive because we're flipping the sign. X equals positive 3/4 and x equals negative 7. So our solution set is 3/4 and 7. Now that's it for today, folks. If you have any questions, just comment on my latest YouTube video and I will get right back to you as soon as humanly possible. Thank you so much for being here on this journey with me. Have a blessed day.